Hey guys, this is Virtual Algebra 2, Section 4.3, Matrix Division. And I put that in quotation marks because it's not really matrix division. Anyway, to get started, we're going to do some really easy math. Okay, we need to learn about something called the identity matrix. So before we get there, let's talk about other kinds of identity things. 5 times 1 gives us 5, right? And so we call 1 the identity number for multiplication. And of course, as you know, for addition, the identity number is 0. 0 plus any number preserves the identity of that number, just like 1 times the number preserves the identity of that number. Now, if you're wondering why there's a lot of noise in the background, well, I brought you here to the Washington Monument just for dramatic effect. A big number 1 to remind us of the concept of preserving identity. Okay? So the big question today is, what matrix X can we multiply by another matrix to preserve its identity so that it doesn't change? Okay? Now, matrix addition is easy. This is sort of the identity preserving matrix for matrix addition. We just add a box full of zeros and nothing changes. But multiplication, what are we going to put in here? Is it going to be all ones? What dimensions is it going to have? This is a 2 by 3, right? So this has to be a something by 2. Right? But if you think about it, this has to be a 2 by 2. Otherwise, the dimensions of this will come out to also be 2 by 3. So we're going to have a 2 by 2 times a 2 by 3 to give us another 2 by 3. Alright? Now take a guess. What do you think should go in there? Alright, the first time I did this, I thought it would be 1, 1, 1, 1. But if you try that, you're going to see really quickly that that doesn't work. Right? Just try that multiplication. And the first element you try to figure out, it's not going to work out. You're going to be adding a 1 and a 4. Not going to get your 1 back again. You're going to. So that's not quite it. Alright, I'm not going to make you guess anymore. There it is. 1001. That is 2 by 2 identity matrix. And it gets a special letter because it turns out to be really, really important. We just call it I. Okay? Gets the symbol I. Alright, that's all for now. Please tune in to part 2. Actually, part 1 is not over yet. I'd like you guys to actually do this multiplication yourself. So just take a minute and try that now. Okay? Just multiplying what I've told you is the 2 by 2 identity matrix times the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I think you'll see how this thing works. The ones pick out what you need and the zeros stay out of the way. Alright, so do that now, just to prove to yourself that it works. And then that's the end of part 1, and we'll move on to part 2. Alright, Kolpak out.